This is the ECX Intelligent Timer. Its two primary functions are to count down from a selectable initial time to 0 and to count up from 0, operating as a stopwatch. The default timing options are 1, 2, 5, and 10 minutes. If you need any other time settings, you can press the buttons to add as much time as required. For example, if you need 7 minutes, you can press the 2-minute button and then press the 5-minute button. Once you have made your selection, you can change it by pressing the reset button, or you can press the start button to initialize the countdown sequence. You can pause the timing sequence by pressing the stop button and resume the timing sequence by pressing the start button again. Once the timer reaches 0, it will generate an audible alarm. To use the stopwatch feature with the timer at 0, press the start button to initiate the count-up sequence. You can also press the stop button to pause the count and resume the sequence by pressing the start button again. In the upper right-hand corner, there is a time of day clock. Touching the screen where the time is shown takes you to the clock setup screen. On this screen, you can adjust the time and select 12-hour or 24-hour clock operation. By touching the blank space above the counter numbers, a technician can access the password-protected screen that will take you to the options menu. Selecting the Job Setup button, you'll be able to select the colors of the timer indication on the main screen. You can also select the voltage level at which the timer will go into power saving mode when the engine is off. There are 3 additional options that can be displayed on the main screen: temperature indication, oxygen pressure indication, and battery voltage indication. After making a selection, press the Save button and press the Exit button to return to the main screen. The value of the battery voltage, temperature, and oxygen pressure are now displayed in the upper left corner of the screen. Going back to the Options menu, you can touch the Outputs Temperature Sensor button, which will bring up a screen that can be used to test the 2 auxiliary outputs that would normally be connected to external alarms or auxiliary devices. It will also provide us an indication as to which auxiliary inputs are activated, and it will provide a means for calibrating the temperature sensor used as an option. Pressing the Exit button returns us to the previous screen where we can select the Analog Inputs button. From this screen, we can calibrate the readings of the oxygen pressure and battery voltage. Pressing the Exit button takes us to the main screen. Please contact us for more information on how the ECX Intelligent Timer can benefit you.